The universe speaks to us, not with words, but with energy. It's a constant flow of communication, a subtle dance of vibrations. Every thought, every feeling sends ripples through this energetic field. Imagine a stone thrown into a still pond. The impact creates ripples that spread outward. Our emotions and intentions are like those stones, creating ripples in the universe. The universe, in turn, responds to our energy. This is the fundamental principle of the law of attraction. Like attracts like. Positive energy attracts positive experiences. Negative energy, unfortunately, attracts more of the same. Understanding this language of energy unlocks a deeper connection with the universe. It allows us to co-create our reality with intention and awareness. Our feelings are the language the universe understands best. They are the purest form of communication, transcending the limitations of spoken words. Words are important, but they hold less weight than the emotions behind them. It's the energy and intention that truly matter. Think of it this way. Feelings are the energy. Words are merely the vessel. The emotions we carry are like a powerful current, guiding our words and actions. When our feelings are aligned with our desires, we send a powerful message to the universe. This alignment creates a harmonious vibration that attracts what we seek. We are, in essence, saying, "This is what I want. I am ready to receive it." Our emotions act as a beacon, drawing our desires closer to us. Conversely, when our feelings contradict our desires, we send mixed signals. This confusion can create a barrier, preventing us from manifesting our true intentions. We might say we want abundance, but if our heart is filled with fear and doubt, that's the message the universe receives. Our dominant emotions shape our reality. The universe responds to our dominant vibration. It mirrors back the energy we emit, whether positive or negative. The key is to become aware of our feelings and consciously choose ones that align with our desires. By doing so, we harness the true power of our emotions to create the life we envision. Gratitude is the most powerful emotion we can cultivate. It's the language the universe understands and responds to with open arms. When we are grateful, we acknowledge the good in our lives. This sends a clear message to the universe. More of this, please. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have. It raises our vibration, attracting more things to be grateful for. It's a beautiful cycle of abundance. Start each day with gratitude. Find things, big or small, to appreciate. The warmth of the sun, a kind word from a stranger, the roof over your head. Let gratitude fill your heart and watch how the universe responds. Focusing on lack is like sending the universe a message we don't want. When we constantly dwell on what we don't have, we attract more lack into our lives. It's easy to fall into the trap of lack. We see others with things we desire and we feel a pang of envy. We focus on our debts instead of our income. This negative energy creates a blockage, preventing abundance from flowing into our lives. The moment you catch yourself slipping into lack, shift your focus. Find something to appreciate. Remember, the universe is always responding to our energy. Let's choose to focus on abundance, not scarcity. We see the law of attraction in action every day, whether we realize it or not. Have you ever noticed that when you're in a bad mood, everything seems to go wrong? It's as if the universe is conspiring against you. You spill your coffee, miss the bus, and get stuck in traffic. These small mishaps seem to snowball, creating a day full of frustration. This isn't just bad luck. It's the universe mirroring back your low vibration. Your negative energy attracts more negativity. On the other hand, when you're feeling happy and optimistic, opportunities seem to appear out of thin air. It's like magic. You meet new people, receive unexpected good news, and feel a sense of flow in your life. Everything just seems to click. This is the universe aligning with your positive energy. Your high vibration attracts more positivity and abundance. These everyday experiences are powerful reminders of the influence our thoughts and feelings have on our reality. By becoming conscious creators of our reality, we can manifest the lives we desire. We hold the power to shape our destiny through our energy and intentions. Aligning with abundance is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of growth and self-discovery. It's about becoming aware of our thoughts and feelings and consciously choosing ones that resonate with our deepest desires and aspirations. Here are some practical tips to help you on your journey. Start with gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to the abundance that already exists in your life. Begin and end your day by listing things you're grateful for. This simple practice can transform your mindset. Visualize your desires. Create a clear mental picture of what you want to manifest. Visualization helps to align your energy with your goals. Feel the joy and gratitude as if it's already yours. This emotional connection is key. Use affirmations. Repeat positive statements that align with your desires. Affirmations reprogram your subconscious mind. For example, I am worthy of abundance, or I am a magnet for success. These statements reinforce your belief in your potential. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Self-care is essential for maintaining a high vibration. When you feel good, you attract good. Your energy becomes magnetic to positive experiences. Be patient and trust the process. Manifestation takes time and persistence. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires to fruition. Your faith and patience will be rewarded. Expectation is a powerful force in the universe. When we expect good things to happen, we open ourselves to receiving them. It's like sending out an invitation to the universe saying, "I'm ready for miracles." Positive expectation is not about denying the challenges of life. It's about choosing to focus on the possibility of positive outcomes. It's about believing that, even in the midst of difficulties, good things are on their way. When we cultivate positive expectation, we shift our energy from fear and doubt to hope and possibility. We become co-creators with the universe, attracting experiences that align with our highest good. Section 8. Recognizing the universe's responses. The universe is always communicating with us. It sends us signs, synchronicities, and opportunities to guide us on our path. Learning to recognize these messages is key to navigating life with intention. These messages can come in many forms. It might be a chance encounter with someone who can help us achieve our goals, a book that falls into our lap at the perfect time, or a sudden surge of inspiration. Pay attention to your intuition. It's the universe's way of whispering guidance and wisdom. When you feel a nudge in a certain direction, trust it. The universe is always conspiring to support you on your journey. Section 9. Trusting the journey of manifestation. Manifestation is not a quick fix. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth, and alignment. There will be times when you feel discouraged, impatient, or tempted to give up. It's during these times that it's most important to trust the process. The universe works in mysterious ways. It has a plan for you, even if you can't see it yet. Trust that everything is unfolding as it should. Release your attachment to the outcome and allow the universe to deliver in its perfect timing. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace the lessons, the growth, and the expansion that comes with aligning with your desires. Section 10. Embracing the flow of energy. Life is an ebb and flow of energy. There will be times when you feel aligned, energized, and unstoppable. There will also be times when you feel sluggish, unmotivated, or out of sorts. It's important to honor your energy levels. Don't beat yourself up if you have days when you're not feeling your best. Instead, focus on self-care, rest, and rejuvenation. Allow yourself to move through these low energy periods with grace and ease. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. The universe is always supporting you, guiding you, and cheering you on. Trust the process, embrace the flow, and allow yourself to be amazed by the magic of manifestation. Section 11. Living in harmony with the universe. Living in harmony with the universe is about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your highest good. It's about understanding that you are a powerful creator of your reality and that the universe is always conspiring to support you. As you become more attuned to the language of energy, you'll find that life becomes more joyful, abundant, and fulfilling. You'll attract loving relationships, fulfilling work, and experiences that light you up from the inside out. Remember to approach life with gratitude, positive expectation, and an open heart. Trust the universe, believe in yourself, and embrace the incredible journey of co-creation. The universe is speaking. Are you listening? You